Hello, today we are going to talk about the Etsy shop banner and why you need it and how to make one. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Bryn. I've been in the online small business industry since 2015. I own a top 1% performing Etsy shop. I'm also a blogger and a consultant for other creatives wanting to break into the e-commerce industry. I help other creatives that don't want to settle on a niche finally start their Etsy shop and quit their full-time job. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to know every time I post a new video.
So after you've opened your Etsy shop, it is time to get started on creating a banner. So a banner actually goes on this top portion right here. You technically don't have to have a banner. It's not going to make or break you. However, it does add a little bit of pizzazz, and it's really the first thing a customer sees when they make it to your shop screen. So I do think it's important to take the time and create one. Today, we are going to do that using Canva. When you first log into Canva, this is what the screen looks like. So we are going to search content and we are going to type in Etsy banner. We will then click on Etsy shop cover. What's really nice about this is you don't have to look up the dimensions. It just automatically defaults everything for you. So you can go ahead and scroll through here and choose which one will work best for you. What's really cool about these is you can kind of change them up with like the season. So you can have a Halloween one, a Christmas one, and it just kind of adds a little bit more dimension to your shop. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. So after we have loaded the graphic, we are going to make some simple changes to it. I'm just going to drag and drop some photos that I already have uploaded in here. So let's see. I think we'll do those. I don't have much about crafting anymore. So I think we'll go ahead and stick with those. I'm going to go ahead and update this to my business name. So I am not loving the curve of this font. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on effects. As you can see, curve is highlighted here. You are actually going to click on none and it is going to get rid of that for you. So I'm not loving these flowers. I'm going to just highlight and tap delete, highlight, delete, and then delete this because I'm not loving this and bring this down just a little bit so it's more in the middle. I don't feel like it's really necessary to have this button on here for myself. I'm just going to delete it at this point because I don't think it's necessary. And then I'm going to update my tagline. Okay, so after I've entered that text, again, I'm not loving this font. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to choose a different font. And then I'm just going to resize this. Actually, I'm just going to drag this out so that it goes across the entire line. And then I'm going to shrink it so that it fits in this area. And then you can actually like highlight these two and go up here to the top right and press position and press center. That is going to center those items. And then I'm going to center again in this area to the best of my ability. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now you can go ahead and start changing colors if you want. I'm going to update some to more of my brand colors. These are already saved in here, which makes it super easy, but you can go ahead and do default colors or photo colors. They make it really easy. So you can really cater this to your branding needs. Okay, so after we've added our photos, we've updated our font choices and our text and our colors, we are ready to save. So we are going to go to the top right-hand corner where it says share. We're going to tap on that. and it's going to pop up this screen, and you're going to go ahead and press the option to download. It's going to open a new screen. We are going to want to save this as a PNG. So there are other options here. In this case, we want the PNG. It defaults to a size of 1. When you save your Etsy banner as a size 1, it is going to be blurry. You are going to want to take this cursor and bump it all the way up so that the size says 3. This is going to give us a really clear banner image. At this point, we're going to go ahead and download. So when we're in our Etsy shop and we're uploading our banner, we are going to go ahead and tap Edit Shop. It is going to open up this screen, and we're going to tap this bar on the top that says Banner to showcase your brand and listings. We are going to do a big banner, which is the 1200 by 300 pixels, which is exactly what Canva defaulted it to for us. They make it super easy. Now, if you want to upgrade, if you want to pay a monthly subscription to Etsy, you do have the option of doing a carousel or a collage, but I don't think it's 100% necessary. Tap done, and we're going to go ahead and add our image. Okay, so the banner's right here. We're going to highlight it and press open, and it is going to pop up our banner for us. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and save and view shop. There we go. We have our beautiful banner. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was so fun to make an Etsy shop banner together and really create a cohesive brand.
Be sure to grab my free SEO guide and start getting more traffic to your shop today. Don't forget to subscribe and get notified on my next video so that you can continue to educate yourself on how to start that Etsy shop and grow your business. While you wait for that, go ahead and check out these other videos. I'll see you soon.